Now it's Sandre Davison in lane number 2.
On the cusp of sub-10, he ran 10 flat last night.
Raheem Ford goes in lane 3.
A World Championships 4x1 bronze medalist from last year, one of 3 who made it on that team, 9.95 at his best, 10.02 in qualifying last evening.
There we see the world indoor 60-meter bronze medalist from dynamic speed, Akeem Blake.
A 9.95 last night. He's at his best. That was his season's best, having done 10 flat earlier. He has a PB of 9.89.
In lane number 5, Kadrian Golson from Sprint Tech.
9.94 at his best, 10.12 from the Sprint Tech camp, and he also a World University Games gold medalist.
And here in lane number 6, 9.82 in the prelims, Kishane Thompson.
Kishane Thompson came in with a PB of 9.85 last year. He ran 9.91. He is now the sixth fastest Jamaican man in history with Oblique Seville.
And in lane number 7 from Adidas, Jelani Walker.
Jelani Walker, 10 seconds flat PB set a few years ago, 10.21 in qualifying, a 4x1 World Championship finalist in 22.
And in lane number 8, Elite Track Club, Nigel Ellis.
Great as a junior, now trying to complete his transition. He ran 10.13 to get to the final, to the semi-final.
So the joint fastest Jamaican this year is Kishane Thompson. He is in lane 6. News emerging, say overnight, but earlier today, that Thompson's coach, Stephen Francis, was upset about his recovery being interrupted by doping control officers last night. Didn't leave and get home until 1:30 in the morning, but here he is, competing from lane 6. So it's Dennis, Davison, Ford, Blake, Golson, Thompson, Walker, Ellis. Set position, sent away cleanly. And look at that start from Kishane Thompson. Akeem Blake trying to go with him. It's Kishane Thompson and Akeem Blake. Kishane Thompson pushes ahead. Kishane Thompson stops the clock at 9.80.
I knows.
They've asked about the future of Jamaican sprinting. And the men's side, it's ripe and healthy. 4 men under 23 years old in this final.
Fireworks in the making once again. You can feel the level of anticipation gripping this contest. Men's 100-meter final. Set. Oh, Seville and Thompson got away like rockets. Seville looks imperious. Thompson looks imperious and commanding as well. Kishane Thompson steps to the fore and gets there. 9.73. Oh, goodness gracious me. It's a new stadium record. New world leading. Absolutely stunning. 9.77 the official time. It is still a new world leading. A massive new personal best. Kishane Thompson again sends an ominous message. This man is on fire. What a stupendous performance. A stunning, scorching, and a superlative display of sprinting. Seville second, 9.82, equaling his personal best. What a race we just saw. Third going to Akeem Blake, 9.92. That's your top 3.
Oh my goodness. Oh my word. Lost for words, lost for description. What a way to close day number 2. He looked in spanking form. Went through the line. Here, great start on the inside for Jelani Gordon. Got up very well. Oblique Seville got a good start. Kishane Thompson now trying to reining Oblique Seville, and he pulls up to his shoulder. Big, powerful, and strong. Kishane Thompson looks around at Oblique Seville.
Kishane Thompson has swiftly become the new symbol of Jamaican sprinting prowess, electrifying the track and field world with his blistering speed and delivering one of the most sensational displays seen in modern athletics. Blazing to a stunning 9.73 seconds in the national 100-meter final, he left spectators in awe and sent a loud message that a new global sprinting star has arrived. Jamaica's sprinting contests have long been fiercely competitive, but this year's clash was nothing short of iconic. Battling against elite sprinters like Oblique Seville, Akeem Blake, and Rohan Watson, Thompson came in as a major threat, but even his fiercest supporters couldn't have predicted the firestorm he was about to ignite. Signs of his explosive form surfaced in the preliminary rounds, where he flew through the heats in a blistering 9.82 seconds. A delayed anti-doping procedure the night before the final disrupted his recovery process, a situation that drew sharp criticism from coach Stephen Francis. Yet rather than crumble, Thompson turned the setback into motivation, sharpening his focus. When the gun fired in the final, Thompson exploded from the blocks with breathtaking intensity. Within moments, he surged ahead, dismantling the field with grace and force. His control, power, and sprinting rhythm showcased a sprinter operating at a different level. The 9.73 sprint was more than a win, it was a statement. He crushed the stadium record and posted the fastest 100m of the season. Seville followed with a repeat of his 9.82 personal best for silver, while Blake secured third in 9.92. The race highlighted Jamaica's extraordinary sprint depth, with 4 athletes finishing under 10 seconds. Thompson's rise to the top hasn't been sudden. It's the result of consistent development, strategic growth, and unwavering determination. His 9.85-second effort last year gave the world a preview. This season, he's delivered the full show. Now firmly positioned among Jamaica's sprinting royalty, alongside legends like Usain Bolt and Rohan Blake, Thompson distinguishes himself with flawless technique, raw power, and an unbreakable mindset. He's no longer chasing potential. He's now shaping the narrative of global sprinting. Looking ahead to 2025, Thompson is preparing to kick off his season indoors with a highly anticipated 60m debut at a major meet in January. The shorter distance will highlight his acceleration and technical execution, key components of his evolving dominance. Coach Francis has expressed full faith in Thompson's trajectory, making it clear they plan to start the season strong. Excitement is building to see how Thompson translates his outdoor prowess into the tighter, faster indoor format. This year's national trials served as a powerful indicator of what lies ahead for Jamaican men's sprinting. With emerging stars like Thompson, Seville, and Blake at the helm, the country's legacy of sprint supremacy is being reinvigorated. Possessing an extraordinary mix of physical gifts and relentless ambition, Thompson represents a new era for Jamaican athletics. His goals stretch far beyond national accolades. Olympic podiums and world titles are in his sights. Kishane Thompson is no longer an emerging name, he's the headline act. His performances are not only energizing fans but also reasserting Jamaica's sprinting dominance. As he readies for what's next, one thing is unmistakable: Thompson's journey has only just begun, and greatness is within striking distance.